Energy, a key word that spins world around. Its price is high. The more we need it, the more minds it absorbs. The amount of fuels we can use as a source of energy systematically dwindles. Getting new ones leads to environment degradation. It is there where ecology, a second word, makes its dizzy way up. In order to fulfill it, we continue to look for new solutions, make use of alternative sources of power, we harness nature. The result of surging energy in compliance with ecology rules is alternative fuel. These are waste products insufficient for use as a recycled material but containing energy. The advantage of using them is double. Not only the energy can be used anew, but on the other hand, we bring into cultivation piles of waste. As a summary, kiln installations already exist and are ready to be used as an important helper during waste co-processing. Preparing cement plants for waste co-processing demanded a substantial investment in building alternative fuel storage and feeding systems. It was necessary to install additional measurement instruments and to equip research laboratory. Waste co-processing in cement plants demands also additional cost of monitoring of alternative fuel deliveries and continuous measurement of air emissions. Cement plants meet all those requirements, being experienced and reliable receiver of alternative fuel. Alternative fuel is a mix of several waste types of specific composition and calorific value. It is made up of small pieces of paper, fabrics, plastics, wood waste, rubber, used oils, solvents and paints. This all is mixed in suitable proportion. Granulated alternative fuels are fed to the calciners and to the main burners of rotary kilns. The list of waste that can be used by cement plants as an alternative fuel is long. An alternative fuel can be also one type of waste, for instance tires. Tires are fed directly to the kiln input. Cement plants are also ready to utilize other waste like sewage, sludge or bone meal. Preparing alternative fuel for cement plants is a task for specialized companies. But we have to remember that a cement plant is not an incineration plant. The main task for a cement plant is always to produce a good quality cement. The stable process of clinker burning is always the priority for cement plant and way of more important than the amount of alternative fuel used. Using fuel produced out of waste means for a cement plant not only the advantage but also some problems. Cement plant will be interested in a specific waste only when there is a technical possibility to use it during clinker burning process, and on the other hand, there must be a capability to reduce the cost of buying and preparing conventional fuel. Regardless of high temperature in cement kiln and proper burning conditions, not all and not every amount of waste can be recycled. Alternative fuel cannot contain components that affect unfavorably the quality of burnt clinker and operation of the kiln. It cannot cause transgression of permissible pollution limits. The high effectiveness of clinker burning process will be achieved when we use a fuel of the highest possible calorific value. This parameter is crucial when it comes to the temperature of the flame and the quality of Portland clinker. The fuel of less calorific value means less amount of heat in the kiln and less effectiveness of the process. The big problem as far as alternative fuel is concerned is too high moisture that reduces combustible value and chokes installation pipes. The next important factors are oversized pieces of waste and content of unfavorable compounds of sulfur, chlorine, sodium and potassium, what may cause the disturbance of the kiln operation. Environmentally safe process of using alternative fuel in cement plants stimulates next actions. During the waste co-processing in the cement kiln, we recover not only energy from alternative fuel. Inorganic part of fuel becomes a valuable supplement of raw material. We save non-renewable natural fuel, less waste will be landfilled, and uncontrolled burning waste will not take place, reducing air pollution. Co-processing alternative fuel in cement kiln is a non-waste process. Ash successfully replaces natural resources and is incorporated in clinker structure. All advantages mentioned lead to the claim that the rotary cement kiln is one of the highly recommended, if not the best unit, to combust alternative fuel.